everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetSS.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. So in today's video, I have something informative to share, that how you can recover your suspended Twitter account. So a few days back, I got one of my accounts suspended by Twitter and I tried to recover it. So there can be different situations where you will find your Twitter account suspended. All right, so if you are doing suspicious activities, or if they think your account has been hacked or compromised, they can suspend it for security as well. All right, also, if you think they have done a mistake and you have not violated any rules and still got your account suspended, you can submit an appeal to them to get your account back. So in today's video, I will show you how you can submit an appeal to Twitter and if it helps to get your Twitter account back or not. But remember, if you have violated any severe rule, you are not going to get your account back that easily, or maybe your account will get suspended forever. All right, so for major violations, they suspend your Twitter account forever. So yeah, let's get started and see how we can submit an appeal and get our Twitter account unsuspended. So yeah, first of all, you have to go to twitter.com and simply try to log into your Twitter account. All right, so I am showing you it how you will know that your account has been suspended. So first of all, I tried to log into my account. All right, now as you can see the message down there, your account is suspended and is not permitted to perform this action. All right, so it is clearly written here. Now I will go to my profile and you will see that I have lost all my followers as well as my following. All right, so this shows that my account has been temporarily suspended. Now to submit an appeal, you have to write suspended Twitter account in a new tab and click on the first link that you see, Twitter Help Center. All right, so here you will get some information about suspended accounts, what are the reasons why they suspend accounts, and how you can unsuspend your account. So there are few steps, like you can add your phone number, your email address. All right, and here is the option we are looking for, submit an appeal, and we may be able to unsuspend your account. So click on that and here you have to submit some information. So you can submit an appeal on account suspension. All right, so the first query says, where are you experiencing this issue? So I am facing it on my desktop web browser. You can also use Android or your phone device. Now here you have to give a description of your problem, whatever issue you are facing, a clear description. All right, so for instance, you can see the description I am giving to Twitter for my account. All right, so I am giving a genuine description of the problem that I have faced. All right, so I hadn't violated any rules but still got my account suspended when I tried to log in. All right, I even tried to use my phone number to recover my account, but they didn't allow me to do so. All right, so I will explain my problem completely and let's see what happens next. Also, I don't have access to my phone number using which I created my Twitter account. So I mentioned this problem as well to them, that I cannot verify my phone number, but I can verify my email address. All right, so let's see what happens. So when I tried to reset my password using my email address, I got the access back, but the account got suspended. All right, so yeah, I have mentioned that I have not violated any rules or regulations of Twitter. So please help in getting my account back. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Alright, so this was a description of the problem I was facing, right? Now for the next part, you have to enter some further information like your full name. So what is your full name on Twitter? It is not the username, it is your full name on Twitter, alright? So here you have to enter the full name, and the Twitter username is already entered by them. As you are logged into your Twitter account, they will already enter the username. You just have to enter the full name and your email address that they will use to contact you. So enter any email address and a phone number, that is optional, but for safety reasons I am adding a phone number so that I can get a code on that as well. All right, so yeah, after that you have to complete the captcha challenge and click on continue. Select I'm not a robot and follow the instructions and click submit. All right, so yeah, they have said thanks, your request has been submitted to Twitter. Now I will check my email that I have received from Twitter. So here is the email that I have received from Twitter. We have an update for you. So it is written that hello, we received your appeal regarding your account. Please reply to this message and confirm that you have access to this email address. So they want me to reply to this email and confirm that I can access this email address. All right, so what you have to do is, in my case, I have to simply reply to them to show them that I am a human, not a robot, and I can access my email address. All right, so here I will simply reply to them and I will show you what reply I will send to them. So I will show you everything and I will show you the proof as well that I got my account recovered. So I will click on the reply option and I will simply type hi, yes, I can access my email address and please unsuspend my account. All right, so you don't have to mention any long sentences, any long descriptions. Just write yes, I can access my email address, thanks, and press the send button. All right, so yeah, I have sent the mail to them. I have replied. Let's see what reply we receive from them. All right, so now as you can see, it has been 2 days that I replied to their mail but haven't got any mail from them. So I replied to them 2 days back, but they haven't sent me any new mail regarding my account that they have unsuspended it or not. So let's try to log in and see if we can log into my account or not. All right, so I will simply try to log in. So it has been 2 days now and I haven't tried to log in. I'm only logging after 2 days. All right, so yeah, I'm able to log in and I haven't received any message about suspended account. I will go to my profile. Oh yeah, so there are the followers. I have got all my followers back and as well as the following. So it means they have unsuspended my account, it shows. But as you can see, I didn't receive a mail from them. All right, so yeah, that's how it goes. You can try to submit an appeal to them, and if they find that you haven't violated any rules, so they will give your account back for sure. All right, so I mailed them 2 days back, and after 2 days when I tried to log in again, I found that my account got unsuspended. So yeah, that was how I recovered my suspended Twitter account, and you can also submit an appeal to get your suspended account back. But make sure you have not violated any major regulation, as this can get you suspended from Twitter forever. All right, and in that case you won't be able to create a new Twitter account. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, if you have any feedback or any suggestions or any queries, you can mention them down in the comment section below. You can also visit our website, that is getsh.net, where you will find a lot of troubleshooting articles and blogs to help you out with your everyday technical issues. So yeah, that was all for today's video, and now I will see you in my next video.